when you are talking about the rules of INEC, the rules of INEC is a law. Once they make the rule, they are expected to abide by their rules. Now, INEC has told the public, even in line with the law, through their spokesperson, Festus Okoye, saying that they are going to comply with the rules by transmitting results electronically from the polling units. And the Festus Okoye during the press briefing also cited the laws. Now, why do you now say that it is not a grant for cancelling an election? Now, if it is not a grant for cancelling an election, what is the basis of the basis of that BVAS? Because the purpose of that BVAS has been defeated, and the purpose of that BVAS is to create what we used to see in the previous elections, where somebody will just say in his house and declare results. So if you watch that judgment from the page 1 to the last page, you did not see where the panel even condemn INEC or criticize INEC in their attitude. So in other words, we have now to say that INEC did perfectly well. So if INEC, if the 2023 election, where some tribe in Lagos were stopped from voting, where many people were killed, where houses were burned, you say that it is perfect. You have now given the impression that if you are contesting an election, you don't need to spend your money to campaign. What you need to do is this: you do everything, use violence, kill it, collect it, run away with it, and pay INEC to declare you winner. If INEC declare you winner, whether you contest election, tell your opponent to go to court.